everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the steps necessary to start a new website. There are a series of steps that you should take when you are wanting to start a new website. Step number one, you should select a goal for your website and list all of the requirements that you would like on your new website. You can build a website from the ground up. Best way to start is by figuring out what is your goal? What is your overall purpose that you would like to serve? So, what do you want to eventually accomplish with this website? So, are you planning on maybe selling products? Are you planning on offering different types of services? Maybe you want to show off your portfolio, or maybe you're wanting to build a website purely for advertising the name of your business. Whatever your goal is, whatever you want to accomplish, it is critical that you determine first what type of pages you want to publish, whether it's portfolio page, pricing page, or about us pages, the types of content you'll want to feature on them, including image, gallery, articles, as well as video, as well as any technical capabilities you'll want, such as email marketing platform or live chat solutions. If you're not 100% sure about what you exactly want to include, you should start with a but why do I even need a website before you even get started? And there this after you have accomplished this, then you'll be able to move on to the next step, which is basically researching your market and competitors, for example. Step number two, which includes researching your market and competitors. Once you have your goal outlined and your initial ideas planned out, next step is to what? Research your target audience as well as your competitors. This is extremely critical and extremely important that you research your target audience as well as your competitors. What you want to find out basically is what type of information your potential customers are interested in. So, what type of content have your competitors been publishing to capture them? And the best way to do this is to manually go through your competitors' pages, social media groups, Q&A sites, as well as their forums, and to just basically write down any critical data on their website, such as questions asked, as well as the type of content that you see on their website. This research is basically like having a side by side PA next to you, basically letting you know what is extremely critical to include on your web page. On your web page, it's definitely critical to have content where you describe your services as well as your pricing plans, an about me page describing the website as well as any background of any individuals involved in running the business, a testimonial page, as well as a page with happy customers, a blog with training tips and stories, an email sign up form offering downloadable plans, as well as a social media link leading to your YouTube and Instagram profiles. On top of that, on social media groups, you've noticed that your target audience frequently asks about working in specific locations. So make sure you provide the necessary services to provide the critical information necessary to your customers. Once you're done with your research and you've noted down everything critical, then you can include on the website the most critical information necessary to get your website up and running. Step number three is to research what appeals personally to you visually. So there are different type of website designs available. They have different layouts, and these different layouts can basically be tailored to fit the specific needs of your target audience and can be structured in such a way that it appeals to mass audiences. You will want to start your research by going to your competitors' pages, checking out some of the template galleries and some of the information that they have on their website. Remember, the overall aim of your web page is to make sure that you are giving your target audience what they want and what they're looking for so that they will be interested in purchasing whatever product you are trying to sell on your website. You can get tons of information and inspiration from looking at different websites. In addition to this, you can also set different goals for yourself. such as determining what type of budget are you willing to spend on your website, what type of development as well as pages are you willing to sacrifice to make sure that you have the best possible website design available for your audience to be able to choose from. Step number four is to choose your website builder. So, what exactly are you looking for when you're considering which website builder to determine? In short, there are some websites that use coding skills, some that use code editors as well as HTML, CSS, as well as other sites that use JS libraries like Bootstrap. However, this is going to require some time, skill, and experience. You can also use a developer to build a website for you. The web developer can basically customize which template to use. And there are also other websites that offer free website programs such as Wix, Weebly, WebNoise, as well as a host of other very popular, well-known free websites. WordPress is actually a very popular website content creator. They have constant updates and they give you an opportunity to be able to adjust the planning as well as the design on your website. It is the most cost effective and gives small businesses like yours all the flexibility that they need. Using AI to build a perfect website to match your business goals and needs will help you to access thousands of free high resolution images you can use on your pages. So, different marketing solutions as well as running different email campaigns can help you. You can also run ads through Facebook or Google to help you to attract customers. And you can also make your web page mobile friendly and give and consider a host of free web hosting that can help you to get started on your website right away. There are a ton of website builders that are available, but these are the things you should consider when trying to decide which web builder to use. Does the website builder come with any specific limitations? Does it offer an unlimited bandwidth? Does the website builder offer a search engine with different optimization capabilities? And also, does the website builder come with a content management system and how complex is it? So you can use tools such as Google Analytics, and this can help you to figure out exactly what type of skills you'll need, such as HTML or CSS. Step number five is to choose your web host. Whenever you're trying to build a website from scratch, it is definitely critical as well as important that you are able to initiate the necessary information to figure out exactly what data you will be storing on your website. You want to ensure that whatever business website that you're creating is secure and that has the capabilities to be able to withstand any potential threats. You want to also make sure that all of your data that you put up is backed up and saved so that you do not lose all the information that you put on your web page. Flexibility as well as constant updates are critical for maintaining your customer database. So a lot of these web hosts basically have hundreds of thousands of website visitors every month, and it can give your small business the boost that it needs to be able to offer highly reliable services and help you get started on maintaining an overall effective website. Step number six is to choose your domain name. Domain name is necessary for your business. Having a critical and unique URL address can help to differentiate you from your competitors. Also, having a domain and registering your own custom domain is critical and can help you to make sure that your business is not confused with other businesses that might have similar names as well as similar web addresses. As a business owner, it is your duty to make sure that your website is able to bring in the necessary traffic. You can use search engines such as Google or Bing to advertise your website. It's also important that you provide any type of information such as email addresses, phone numbers, as well as information to contact you on your website page. Step number seven is to add your content as well as to customize the layout. Now that you've completed all the previous steps, the next step is to start putting the pieces together. You need to pick a ready-made template and customize it to your liking. You can use the AI tool to create a website based on the information you provide, like your website goal and industry. You can build an entire website from scratch using a blank template. Add new pages, fill in your own content like buttons, images, links, videos, add contact forms and subscription forms, social media icons, customize what goes into your navigation menu, as well as integrate different tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, create membership sites and limited access pages, as well as an online store and payment processor, such as PayPal or other business entities. So you should have an About Us page, a home page, a contact page, an offers page, a blog page. So all these different social media websites can help to make your business more credible in the eyes of your customers. Step number 8 is to connect all the necessary tools. Whenever you're building a website, it is critical that you connect with external tools as well as platforms. Connecting your site with Google Analytics can basically help you monitor how many people are visiting your website, how long they're on the website, and on average, how long they're staying on particular pages. This information can basically help you to adjust your page as necessary to draw more customers. It's definitely critical to have a call to action button and to include external plugins as well as HTML code necessary. However, if you're using GetResponse Website Builder, connecting all the different tools is super easy. GetResponse can basically help you to connect the Facebook and Instagram ads, Google ads, email marketing, marketing automation, live chats, webinars, web push notification, conversion funnels, forms, and pop-ups. On top of that, you can connect Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager by simply providing your user ID, no coding skills required. You can also use this website to help you to customize your page through different platforms. Number 9 step for starting your own website is to preview and to publish. Before you launch your website, make sure you double check that everything looks good. Make sure your contact forms are up to date, your sign up forms are working well. Confirm that everything is A-OK with your website before you go ahead and publish it. After you have published your website, you can start sharing the link to your newly created website with your friends and family to ask for their opinion. After they've provided feedback, you can make any necessary changes necessary on there. So basically, to sum up, even though it seems like this process can be a little bit lengthy, once you have the right tools, you can be able to build a website and share it with your audience in just a few short moments. So these are all the steps necessary for you to go ahead and start your own new website. What are you waiting for today? Get started. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.